we've got to figure out what the scale factor is to get from polygon A to polygon B. They're telling us that they are scaled copies, so we have that information. So when you're trying to figure out scale factor, you need to look at corresponding sides. So you'll notice here that the top side of A is labeled as 2.5. The top side of polygon B is labeled as 5. That's going to be really helpful to us to figure out that scale factor. So because 5 is bigger than 2.5, we know that our scale factor is going to be bigger than 1. Has to be greater than 1. So to figure that out, we want to think about 2.5 times some number, that's our scaled factor, is 5. What number is going to get us to that? Think about doubling it. If we double 2.5, that will give us 5. So 2.5 times 2 is 5. Therefore, our scale factor is 2 for this particular problem.